Welcome back and Happy New Year's! With 2022 coming to an end, I thought I'd share with you all how to wish someone Happy New Year's in 10 languages and talk about some New Year's traditions observed in these countries. Here we go! Agit gäbäntscht jur. Agit gäbäntscht jur. As the Jewish New Year's is on the 1st and 2nd of the lunar month Tishrei, it usually falls out in late September or early October. This is the greeting used. It literally translates to a good, blessed year. Godt nytår. Godt nytår. Hyvää, uutta, vuotta. Hyvää, uutta, vuotta. A Finnish New Year's custom is melting pieces of metal shaped like horseshoes and then dropping them into water. The shape the metal forms when cooled is said to tell your fortune, whether it be love, money, or travel. Gott nytår. Gott nytår. Gott nytår. Gott nytår. Shana tova, or more commonly for the Jewish New Year's, Shana tova umtuka. Have a good and sweet year. To commemorate the sweet year, honey is eaten during the festivities. Gleðeligt nyttår. Gleðeligt nyttår. Frohes neues Jahr. Frohes neues Jahr. It is traditional in Germany to give someone you love a lucky charm on New Year's to guarantee them a good year to come. Bliadhna. Bliadhna. In Scotland, first footings bring luck for the year. It is said that the first person to step through your doorway after midnight sets precedent for the next year. It's considered most lucky if a dark-haired man is the first one through in the new year. Št'astný nový rok. Št'astný nový rok. How do you wish someone Happy New Year's in your language? Leave it in the comments below. And for the last time this year, tack för idag, Gleðeligt, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!